Yeah! What up, YouTube?
10CS6 coming at you. We're about to hit a never-ending multiverse hit.
Yeah!
Oh, hello there. Today we're going to be talking about the fine-tuned universe. The fine-tuned universe is a proposition that the conditions that allow life in the universe can only occur when certain universal fundamental physical constants within a very short, narrow range. So that if any of these several fundamental constants were only slightly different, the universe could not be able to establish life. Astronomical structures, element diversity, or life. The proposition is discussed by amorphophysicists, scientists, theologians, proponents, detractors, and creationalisms. Physicist Paul Davis will now talk to you about this theory.
Oh, hello there. My name is Paul. I'm here to talk to you about some very complex numbers. On the top of the board, as you can see, are some very complex numbers for the mind-bogglers. Oh, hello there. I was just studying the universe and how complex it is. As you can see on the board, we have some very sophisticated numbers in physics, which is what stands for the speed of light, obviously. And that speed is 229992458 ms to the power of -1. If this number changed by 0.0000001, we would all be well dead. G, which stands for groceries. If this number changed by some absurdly small number, we would surely starve. I, which stands for internet, is also an extremely complex number, which only the top physicians can decide, such as myself. Without this number, or if it changed by 0.00001 degree, we would have no more internet.
As Mr. Segur said, we must reference books. We have books. We have a lot of books. We have more books than I can count. Hello. Here we have some books about religion and physics, which I'm really quite splendid at. First of all, we have Just Six Numbers by Martin Rees. This book defends the multiverse, which I think is quite parallel to the book The Goldilocks Enigma by Paul Davis, who spoke earlier about complex numbers. At Home in the Universe by John Wheeler is a thoughtful and wonderfully written collection of essays, some of which touch on matters of the finely tuned universe. The Cosmic Landscape by Leonardo Susskind is a highly recommended blog website. This website talks about the string theory and the illusion of intelligent design, which means that Leonardo does not believe in the finely tuned universe. He believes that somewhere out there is a multiverse, which creates hundreds of bajillions of universes, and surely one of them must have the correct numbers that Paul Davis talked about earlier to produce life. There we have it, folks. Religion is absolutely ridiculous.
Good one, God. The infamous Pozodal has a very strong opinion on religion. He believes strongly that all religion, including Christianity, is absolute bonkers. He believes this because he is a numbers man, and there is a large number of planets in the multiverse. Therefore, there is a large probability that one will be life-permitting. This life-permitting planet that we have found is Earth, which suits all the characteristics needed for life. It is unlikely that God would have created infinite numbers in the billions of trillions, which were unlife-permitting.
The fine-tuned argument. The fine-tuning argument is one of the most common creationalist arguments. To briefly summarize, creationists argue that there is a vanishingly small probability that 1. The human race evolving to be precisely the way it is. Number 2. The Earth having precisely the right characteristics to support human life. Number 3. The universe having precisely the right characteristics some arguments for and against from well-known physicist Arthur K. Skyrocket. In absence of real data, the fine-tuning argument simply assumes that there is only one winning combination and an infinite number of losing combinations. This just doesn't add up. Argument number 2. The fine-tuning argument assumes that the Earth is fine-tuned to support humans, rather than humans being fine-tuned to live on the Earth. This, in my opinion, makes a lot more sense. Yeah.